this is a little bit impromptu, but what we got here is a Gulf Coast Riviera in the very, very uncommon 42-inch variant from March of 1990. You don't see these a lot at all. This is actually the first one I've seen. This one is installed in a bathroom. This might sound a little echoey. On a, I'd say 2-foot down run. Let's get started here. It's on a wall control. So, we'll start off with low. I will see if I can get this one because I kind of really want it. But, yeah, you don't see these 42-inch variants all too often. A little hummy, but nothing too bad. Let's go to medium. The motor mount's a little loose, so that's what all that buzzing is. I'm gonna see if I can get it that way. You know, alright, whatever. Clickety clack on medium. I'm putting that in a good breeze. And high. Doing pretty good. That's actually really good airflow for a 42-inch fan. So, and we'll shut it down. So with that, I want to thank you all for watching this 42-inch Gulf Coast Riviera ceiling fan. Take care, and you'll